Okay, so we're gonna dive right in. This is my olive oil edge control. I use that for my edges, and I use my Wetline Extreme for my hair, like all around. I use my Tangle Teaser and this brush here. What is that called? Like I can't remember what that brush is called, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair out of the t-shirt. I dry my hair with a t-shirt because of course the t-shirt is better fabric for your hair. Excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather, but I wanted to do this for you guys. Go ahead and apply your leave-in conditioner of choice, and mine was my Garnier Fructis. It's very light, so it's not going to give you much curl definition, but I was going for like a bigger puff, so that worked for me. I'm going ahead and I'm gonna take my Tangle Teaser, and you want to smooth the hair with this. Like, you guys, you want to get all the way to the scalp. You don't want to have any lumps because that's gonna it's really gonna mess up the look of your sleek pony. So you want to go ahead and really sleek your hair down as much as you can with that brush. So I had to go and straighten my part off camera. Now I'm back. Gonna go ahead and apply my Wetline Extreme Gel, and you guys, I'm heavy-handed with it, so yeah, you be as heavy-handed or as light with the product as you like, but I wanted mine to last for a couple days, so yeah, I'm going in. Okay, now I'm taking my boar bristle brush, that's what it's called, and I'm smoothing that down, you guys, and I want to get close up so you guys can see it's like how smooth I'm getting it. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the rest for you, but you guys can get the gist of it. You want your hair as sleek as possible, so if you gotta work at it and really brush it and smooth out those hairs, you're gonna want to do that. You want to feel scalp with that brush because you want your hair to be smooth. You want to slay, okay? You want to slay. Now I know y'all see me wrapping it, but this was a very loose hair tie, so I had to keep wrapping it. I'm not wrapping it very tight, just secure enough that I know that it's gonna stay. So as you can see, I went ahead and did my edges off camera, and I came back for you guys to show you the end result. And these pictures were from after everything dried. And if you like what you see, comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!